Innovation for waste minimization.
Becca has worked to develop a series of tools that make up the 3P system, a cleaning process for paint spray guns. So what is 3P? It stands for 3 processes for success: maintaining your spray gun in a like-new condition and in top-level performance. As a result of testing and feedback received from top painters nationwide, we have put together specific tools that have been selected for the spray gun cleaning process. The result? These tools achieve maximum success using little effort in a short period of time. As easy as 1, 2, 3. Spray guns used with solvent-based materials can primarily be cleaned with solvent. Spray guns used with waterborne materials are much more difficult to clean. The traditional process of chasing waterborne material with solvent, such as acetone, often creates more issues than it solves. The remaining paint in or on the spray gun will create a strong adhesion to the paint gun surface, eventually causing performance problems or corrosion. Process 1. Begin by a detailed cleaning and polishing of your paint spray gun with Becca's Renew Cleaning and Polishing Kit. This will get it back to a like-new condition. If your gun is new, move on to Process 2. Process 2. Now implement the Becca cleaning system for primer sealer, base coat, clear coat, 2-component materials, or single-stage materials. For the waterborne, make sure before using the spray gun, clean the spray gun using the water wave cleaner and blow it dry. This will leave the microfilm coating, allowing for easy cleaning. Pre-rinse the spray gun to remove the gross residues. For waterborne, add H2O dry to dry out the waste for disposal. Clean the spray gun using the compressed air connection to protect the air passages. Use the flow brush to remove the paint material on the air cap and the fluid tip, and finally use the power pistol to flush the remaining paint solids. Process 3. Finish up by selecting a waste management system that best handles the particular materials you are using, whether waterborne, solvent, multi-stage, 2-component, or single-stage. For waterborne cleaning systems, we recommend Clarification Recycling System and/or H2O Dry Waste Drying System.
Innovation for waste minimization.